Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm here to continue my series on these drink recipes I've come up with over the years that are sugar-free. And with the holidays coming up, I thought it'd be a great time to show you more recipes, and hopefully, if you're like me, I'd like to try and limit my calorie intake and things like that through the holidays, because I always seem to pack on a little bit of poundage. And over the years I've come up with these, and I encourage you to try them. I guarantee you cannot tell that they're sugar-free. So there's certain things that I've managed to pick up over the years, experimenting with different drink mixes and things like that that don't have any added sugars. And I just want to show you those. I hope that you possibly saw my video previously that showed 2 great drink recipes that I'm sure you'll enjoy as well. If you haven't, please check those out. This first one I want to show you is a rum drink, and I'll show you the ingredients that go into this. It's pretty simple to make, pretty easy to find ingredients. So the first thing is just a couple of shots of gold rum. Basically, that's what I prefer. You can use white rum if that's what you have, but the gold rum adds a little bit more flavor to this and matches well with the other ingredients. So we'll go ahead and add those first. And the next ingredient is club soda. I know club sodas taste about the same, so I don't have a recommendation for you on that, but fill that most of the way full. And a great product I found, I kind of changed the use of this product, is these skinny syrups. This is something that my fiance actually uses for her coffee, and I happened to try it out in a alcoholic drink, and it came out really well, so I've been using this to create this drink. This is the salted caramel flavor. We picked these up at TJ Maxx. I've seen them at other places as well. TJ Maxx definitely has a lower cost point though. But this, you add about a tablespoon. Of course, you can adjust as far as how sweet you like it, but this is sugar-free. Go ahead and add that. Give it a little bit of a stir. And the next ingredient is I found a couple different brands of sugar-free whipped topping, or heavy cream whipped topping. The one I usually use is Reddi-wip, which is my favorite. This is a close second. This I found at Walmart. Reddi-wip you can find just about anywhere, but it's been really hard to get. Every time I go to pick it up, it seems like it's sold out, or there might be 1 can left. But you can go ahead and squirt that on top. And basically that is it. Oops. I killed my drink, but that's a great drink to serve at parties and things like that. I'm sure you'll enjoy this, but like I said, you cannot tell that it's sugar-free. And this whipped cream is great on its own. The Reddi-wip, it's almost like C-R-A-C-K. I don't want to say that on YouTube, but it is very good, and you cannot tell that they are diet or sugar-free or whatever you want to call it. But I'll go ahead and set that aside and show you the next one I have. This is one of my favorites. If you're like me, you love a good margarita. And this is something that I came up with, and I call it a fogarita, basically. You can make this and, like I said, serve it to your guests, and they cannot tell that it's not a real sugar-laden margarita with these ingredients. The first thing I'd like to add is this key lime beverage, which is found at Kroger, or there are many other brands that they operate under. But there's a lot of different lemon lime drinks and things out there like this, but these do not have sugar or caffeine, but they don't taste like diet. This brand I've also found other brands that are very similar. One which is this Pure Aqua I found at some of the discount stores like Dollar General, and I've seen them at Aldi. So these are great. Both of these are just about 79 cents a bottle, so it's fairly inexpensive. But for this drink, you're going to want to add 2 shots of tequila, at least. But I use the silver tequila myself. Gold works well as well. All right. Then we'll add the sparkling beverage. So this is a margarita that also has some fizz to it, which I really love. Add that. And really, it's good like it is on its own. Although, you know, if you want it to taste more like a genuine margarita, there's a couple other things that I add. The first thing is raw agave nectar. I picked this up from Amazon. They carry it at Whole Foods. It's totally raw, not processed. It's organic, so it's a very healthy type of sugar. Sugar, of course, is going to add calories to your drink. However, this type of sugar is natural, so it's not like the refined white sugar, which is really bad for you. This type of sugar has a lot lower blood sugar spikes and things like that, so it's a lot healthier than white sugar or what you would get in a margarita. So you add this basically to taste, but I usually just give it a good squirt and add a little lime juice. This is really gonna kick it up a notch and make it taste like a genuine margarita. And again, that's the taste as well. I don't measure those 2 ingredients. I basically just mix it, taste it, and add ingredients as needed. Give it a good stir. Voila, looks like a real margarita. And it tastes like one as well. You can fancy it up a bit if you want to. And I guarantee it's delicious. You will love it. If you haven't watched my previous video on low-cal drinks, sugar-free drinks, please tune in on that. And also, I will be posting about 6 to 7 more over the next couple weeks. 6 to 7 more drinks that I've come up with that really fit with the holidays. So be sure to tune in on those. Please like and subscribe to this video so you get alerts that new videos are out. And that's about it. Pretty simple, easy peasy. If I don't talk to you beforehand, have great holidays.